5 is 88.
Oh my goodness.
He said, you said you didn't know. You know, we giving him hell. He said, fellas, I know y'all think I know. He said, but what that was, he said, that wasn't even an educated guess. He said, that was most of this bullshit.
He was right on.
He was right on the money, though. I said, I don't know how you did that, but you nailed it. You know, in adding 5, you know, it's
No, you can't, because if that tips back to this side.
That's all it is to get. Is that pretty?
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Go, Morty.
So what do you
Go,
think?
Morty.
What do you think, Dad?
I think it's a mess. It's gone, but it's a mess. Now the work begins. Look at the acres.
Oh my goodness.